Every time you eat sugar, especially fructose, your liver pays the price. But what happens if you cut it all out? Not in a year, not in a month, just 7 days. Your liver's job is to process everything you eat, filter your blood, and regulate your metabolism. But when you consume added sugar, especially from soda, sweets, or ultra-processed foods, your liver converts that excess into fat, leading to what's now called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. In just 24 to 48 hours without sugar, your insulin levels begin to fall. That's critical, because high insulin traps fat inside your liver. As insulin drops, your liver gets permission to release fat instead of storing it. By day 3, your liver is switching into fat-burning mode. Studies show that in just 3 to 5 days, people begin to see reductions in liver fat, especially when sugar and refined carbs are eliminated. Your mitochondria, the cell's power plants, begin burning fat for fuel more efficiently. By day 5, something bigger is happening. Inflammatory markers like CRP and TNF-alpha may begin to decline. Your body reduces oxidative stress, and immune signals inside your liver shift from damage control to repair mode. By day 7, your liver is actively regenerating. Early-stage fatty liver disease is reversible, and the reversal starts here. You may notice better energy, reduced bloating, and sharper focus, because your liver is now processing toxins, hormones, and fat more efficiently. No added sugar for 7 days can mean lower liver fat, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, better sleep and mood, clearer skin. One small change, massive internal impact. You don't need a detox tea. You don't need a magic pill. You need to stop feeding your liver poison and start giving it time to heal. In just 7 days, your liver can begin to recover. Start now. Your future self will thank you. Curious what else your body's been hiding from you? Hit subscribe. We've got more breakdowns coming that your liver would totally binge watch.